Yes, hello, good morning, class. Good morning, everyone. This is your teacher, Ms. Saima Kaisar. Please let me know if you can hear me and can see my screen.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, I want, there is a student with the name Infinix Spot. I want him or her to rename himself. Otherwise, I'm going to expel you from the class. Yes. Yes, everyone. Put on your camera. Better turn on your cameras, everyone. Turn on your cameras, everyone. And yes, good, Cheryl. Excellent, beta. Excellent. Show me your faces first. Yes, Hajra, Alina, everyone.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Walaikum assalam, Shehroz. How are you all? Hope you remember me that I have taught you in class 6 and now in class 8 we are again together, and today we are going to do some orientation about the science subject. Just a minute, Subhana. Yes, science subject in class 8. There is up till now in class 6 and 7 you have learned. Just a minute, beta. Let me. Okay. Yes. If you have. Yes. Walaikum assalam. Aisha. Alina. Is this clear now? I'm already speaking louder. Yes. You can't hear me, Alina? Then there is a
Yes, your
problem.
voice.
Then there is a problem at your end because yes. Okay, Shahroz, good. Okay, now let's start our class. Just a minute. Let me enter the other students who are waiting in the waiting room. And okay, now okay, class. So today we are going to orientation about the science subject. First of all, I want to tell you that yes, walaikum assalam. Now please keep silence and focus on the screen, everyone. Keep silence and focus on the screen. Yes. First of all, I want to tell you that um, your chemistry, physics, and bio, all three books have been changed recently by the board. All three books have been changed. As you know that in class 8, you study science in three different parts like biology. Some chapters we take from biology of class 9. Some chapter we take from uh, chemistry of class 9. Some chapters we take from physics of class 9. Okay, so please take note of it that the books are already changed. They have been changed by the board and new books are introduced. New books are introduced. That's why we have only their PDF being provided by the board, but not the books are available here in the market. So most probably I will be teaching you online and I will be showing you the PDF you so that you people will learn from it, and I will provide you notes. Okay, understood? Is this clear? So here is the introduction of teacher. As you know my name, Miss Saima Kaisar, and yes, okay, and I have done or I have obtained master's degree in biochemistry. Okay, means I am an MSc qualified in biochemistry, and I will be teaching you science. Now, why we are conducting online classes? As you all know that the just Just a minute, beta. Let me enter the students. Just a minute. Please turn on your. I want each and every student, please turn off your mics and turn on your cameras. Turn on your cameras. Turn off your mic and turn on your cameras. Okay. So yes, yes. All three. I will be teaching all three subjects. Okay. Yes, Ramla. So why we are still conducting online classes? There is some reason because the lockdown is still going on, and since the government of Pakistan closed all the educational institutions, the Sindh government especially, all the institutions, school, colleges, and university to control the spread of COVID-19 since March 2020. In the middle of the session last year, 2020, we have a few months that we were taking the in-person physical classes in the school, but most of the time we were conducting our classes online. So in response, the HEC has directed educational institutions to conduct the online classes. Okay. Almost all the countries are suffering from the coronavirus, and most recently we are facing the deadly Delta virus, that is also the Indian coronavirus. Okay, so that's why, to keep the people safe, government has closed all the sectors publicly, so that education institutions are also closed, and this is the basic reason why we are taking online classes. The purpose behind the initiative is to overcome the educational loss of students. Why we have started the online classes? You are all familiar that we don't want the students to have much loss of your studies, and we want you people to keep in touch with the studies, and your studies are continued. And these vacations, in online classes, due to online classes, you people are at home and you think that these are vacations. These are not the vacations. These are just to keep the people safe at home, but educational activities must continue through some online portal, right? Clear to hear? Yes, class. Is there any problem? Screen show nahi ho raha? Class, I want you people to please let me know if the screen and my voice both are clear. Please raise your hands if everything is clear to you people. Please raise your hands, everyone. Yes, everyone, please raise your hands. Okay. So I want my students to turn on the camera. Yes, Aisha Javed, beta, turn on the camera. Everyone, I want to see your faces. Time to time, I want to see your faces. Yes, I'm also I will also unmute anybody in the middle of the session, so that I will come to know that each and every one of you. Vanya, sit straight. Vanya, sit straight. You are taking the class. So hey Irfan, turn on the camera. Rotate your camera. Rotate your camera. So hey Irfan. Muhammad Umar, Subhana Noman, Abdullah Shahid. These students, they have yet not turned on the camera. Halima, turn on the camera, beta. Alishba Rizwan, Atan Azam, everyone, Fatma Nadeem, Muhammad Ali, turn on the camera. Next time, from the next week, you people will be having your regular classes, and I want each and every one of you to turn on your cameras as soon as you enter the class. Okay, and your rough or copies or notebooks must be with you. Okay, now rules and regulations. These rules and regulations you people have already known that we have to follow. First, students should mandatorily make an ID with their own names to be allowed to enter in the classroom. Like in the beginning of this classroom, I have noticed somebody with the name Infinix Font. These type of fake IDs should not be here in the class. people are allowed to enter with your real names, with your real IDs or real names, which by which you are registered here in the school. Okay, no students will be allowed to enter the classroom with irrelevant identity. Got it? Since you people were taking classes, the online classes, you are experienced now and you are much familiar with the rules and regulations, but only just for your reminder, I am revising them. Okay, next is no student will be allowed to enter the classroom after 10 minutes of the start of each lecture. Okay, because there is only 40 minutes we have for the class. If you are coming after passing 20 or 15 or 20 minutes, then there is no use of it, because I'm not going to repeat it for the newcomers. Okay, so try to be attentive, try to be at time, try to enter the class the time which is stipulated for your particular class. Okay, the students will not be allowed to turn on their audios during the lecture. This is the very important point, because uh, due to the noises at your end. Canada not working, camera not working. Okay, fine. Arsalan. Okay, fine. So students will not be allowed to turn on their audios during the lecture. You will unmute yourself only when I ask that particular student. I actually do not allow all the students at a single time to turn on your audios, because it will distract the class, it will distract me as well during the lecture. I will allow you people one by one during the class or after the after. Okay, fine, Rita. After I have finished my lecture, I will allow you people one by one for question answer session to turn on your mic or speaker. Okay, instead the last 10 minutes of every lecture will be devoted to students for any questions and clarification. Today we will follow this rule at the end of the class. Okay, now it is strongly suggested that students always keep a notebook with them, as I asked you people today to do so during all the lectures, to take notes, to note down any questions they need to ask. Okay, so during the lecture, whatever I'm going through, I'm explaining you, please take note of it, and if you want to ask anything, just write it down in the chat box, or take note of it in your notebook or a copy, so that we will discuss it later on after the lecture. Okay, no student can exit the classroom before the lecture has fully ended. Okay, students must actively participate during the entry of the lecture via the chat option. Teachers reserve all rights to ask their students to share their videos, audios, or she may also ask them questions time to time to check their availability and attentiveness during the lecture. Got it? Clear, everyone? Please raise your hands. Yes, if there is any question, please take note of it. We will discuss it afterwards, or just write it down in the chat box. Okay? Just write it down in the chat box. If you have any question, if you want to ask anything. Okay. So next is in science, grade 8. The science is bifurcated into 3 different subjects. Means there are 3 different branches of science we are going to learn, or we are going to study in class 8, and you have up in class 6, in class 7, though you have also studied biology, chemistry and physics, but these all were consolidated in a single book. Like in class 7 you have studied chapter digestion or transport in living organism. These were considered as biology. Then you have studied solution and suspension, or you have studied elements. These were coming from chemistry. Then you have studied electricity, sound. Remember? Remember, everyone? You have studied, Ms. Nilofer taught you the chapters electricity or effects of heat energy, and also sound, chapter sound. You people have learned these chapters. They were coming into physics, means they are considered into the branch of science which is called physics. So in class 7, class 6, you have studied, though you have studied all these three branches, but they were consolidated in a single book. Now your books are separated. Okay, chemistry book, biology book, and physics book. Understood? So you have, yes, chemistry as well. Yes, chemistry as well. Hajra. Okay, now your books. This is your recent book. I have taken the snapshot from the PDF that has been provided by the board. Chemistry book. This is your physics book. This is your biology book. We have taken 3 chapters or 4 chapters from each branch of biology, or sorry, each branch of science, and we will be learning these chapters individually or separately. Like in first week, in 1 week we will continue. Like in 1 week you have 3 classes for science. You will be learning only one branch. Like if we start chemistry, then we will continue chemistry in all 3, uh, like in all 3 classes online. Then in the next week we will study physics or biology. I will let you know prior that which chapter and from which branch we will start in the next week. Okay, now this is your copy. As you all know, this is your copy for secondary level, for class 8, 6, 7, 8 level. This is your biology copy. Your biology copy is interleaved. Okay, Anya Khurshid, pay attention. What's wrong? Why are you writing this message? Yes, biology copy. This is interleave copy. As you all know that your science, in previous classes, your science copies are all interleave, whether you are doing chemistry or physics work. But here the copies are separate for biology, for chemistry, and for physics. Your biology copy is interleave, and your chemistry and physics copies are single line copies. Okay, your chemistry and physics copies are single line copies. You have been provided with the copy distribution list along with your result, and you know very well that in the copy distribution list, if you check, there is written chemistry 1, chemistry 2, but it is not like that. The distribution list does not uh, contain the copy for physics. So one copy for chemistry and chemistry. The copy which is written for chemistry 2, this is for physics copy. Okay, so one copy, there are 3 copies for science. One is for biology, one is for chemistry, and one is for physics. Okay, understood? Got it, class? Raise your hands, beta, if this is clear. Raise your hands. Raise your hands, everyone, if this is clear. Science की अलग book and copy है. Yes, what this is what I am explaining right now. There are 3 science books, means chemistry book, biology book, and physics book. Okay, and chemistry copy, physics copy, biology copy. Biology copy is interleaved. However, copies for chemistry and physics, they are what type of copies are they? Write down in the chat box. Would you use interleave copy for chemistry and physics or single line copies? Write down in the chat box quickly. Yes, hurry up. Which type of copy would you use? Yes, good. Single line copies. Haya Khan, please take note of it that in science class 8 we have 3 science books, means 3 different branches of science we will be studying, like chemistry, physics, and biology. Biology copy would be interleaf copy. And the copies for physics and chemistry would be single line copy. Okay. Yes, it is written in the copy distribution list. Okay. If you have any query, you will revise the lecture. You will go through the lecture later on when I will upload it after the class. Okay. Then next is your index. How would you write down the index? If you want, you can take the screenshot or picture of the lecture where I am explaining you about the copies. Like your, as you all know, you are in the exercise of maintaining your copies. Here I am explaining it once again that your index should be titled on the top in bold letters, midterm. Then this is, I am showing you example for chemistry copy. Okay, like for instance, we are starting our classes from 9th or 10th or whatever the date. You will write down the date here, serial number and the name of the chapter. Then whatever the question answers we are doing, you will write down the question answers over here. Okay, if you want, show book please. Just a minute, just a minute. Yes, if you want to take the screenshot or if you want to capture the screen or a snapshot, you can take it. Done, Alina? Chemistry book, physics book and biology book. Okay, now next is, I have told you that biology copy is interleaf copy. Yes, yes, Sharon. Biology copy is interleaf, physics and chemistry copies will be single line copies. Then I am showing you how would you maintain the index. One thing more, Zohaib Irfan and all other students who do not inhabit to maintain the index, please mind it that you people have to maintain the index thoroughly and properly, because I am not going to check those copies where the index is not written, where the writing is pathetic, where the work is pathetic. You have to maintain your work properly, because you know that since last year we are assigning marks on each and every assignment, you know, and you will be graded in your final exams like you have just been graded in your final results. Understood? Everybody knows that you people have to do your assignment in your own handwriting, not in the handwriting, or your work should not be done by your siblings, your mother, your father. Okay, so your work should be in your handwriting. Your work should be very neatly done, very properly maintained, copies neat and tidy. Especially Zohaib Irfan, I do not remember the names of others, but I am asking each and everyone, this is not the matter. Okay, I am taking the name of a student like Zohaib. I am asking each and every one of you to please maintain the index properly, to maintain your work, your copies. Writing should be neat and tidy. Yes, write it down, Hania. Hania, write it down in the chat box. What do you want to ask? I will mention. Yes, Shahroz, I know, but there are some students who do. Yes, Miss, are we having science test copy? Beta, Hania, what we will do when you will be coming in the regular classes in the school, we will decide that in which copy we will take the test. But right now we are not asking you to separate the, we are not asking you to say who is this nigga, Nigga. Rename yourself, rename yourself. Yes, प्लीज बता दें चैप्टर चेंज हुए. Yes, Aisha, all the chapters, all the topics are entirely changed, so you can't use the previous old books. You have to buy new books. Okay, got it? Acha, Hania, about the test copies, you people have to right now at this moment you are not you don't make the test copy separately. Just make one physics copy, one chemistry copy, and one bio copy. Okay. Later on, when we will be coming in the regular classes in the school, then we will decide in which copy we will take the test. Okay, is this clear? Okay. So there is some student by the ID NIGGA. Who is this? I'm going to, yes, I'm going to expel him. Who is this? Better rename yourself. Hurry up. Turn on the cameras, everyone. Why the cameras are turned off? Turn on the cameras. Just few cameras are on. Okay. So till here, is everything clear? Have you understood? I have to go to shop at Uncle was saying the yes. These books are just published and yet they are not printed for marketing purpose. We will let you know how do we cover the syllabus and we will arrange something for you. Okay, please don't take tension. We will arrange something for you people. Okay. Now after maintaining the index, your first page as usual will be for midterm heading. In the bold letters on the first page, you will write down the midterm heading. Okay, class? First page, as usual, if there is anybody want to take the snapshot or capture the screen, please do it. First page would be for midterm heading in bold letters very neatly. Then the second leave one page. Then the second page will be for midterm syllabus pasting. As usual for midterm syllabus pasting. Understood? Okay. Then syllabus for chemistry. As the chapters are all changed and we have received new book, PDF for the new book, we have just taken or we have chosen first chapter. There would be 3 or 4 chapters from each branch. Okay, like in chemistry, there would be 3 chapters or 4 chapters depending upon the time length for our session. We will let you know. First, we will start the fundamentals of chemistry. In the next week, please note that in the next week, we will be starting the chemistry chapters, the fundamental of this chapter, fundamentals of chemistry. Okay. Since the books are new and the chapters or the syllabus is yet not decided, so we will be I will start the first chapter, that is fundamentals of chemistry, and as we get the book in the market, we will with the passage of time we will decide the syllabus for chemistry, physics and bio, and I will let you know in detail. Okay, so please don't worry, don't take tension. We are not going to make the things difficult for the students. Okay, understood? Next is syllabus for physics. This is your physics book, and the first chapter that we will start is the physical measurement and quantities. Physical measurement and quantities, and this is the very first chapter in the new book. And I will let you know if in the end of today's orientation class, if I will be having time, I will show you the PDF of all these 3 books, and we will have a short tour of the PDF. We will check the PDF if we will be having time. Otherwise, I will show you the PDF in the next week in our first regular class. Okay. There is only first chapter that is that we will start in the coming weeks. Then the remaining chapters means the syllabus for physics, which will be decided by the management of the school. I will let you know later on. So don't take tension. Just be with me in the online classes. Now the syllabus for biology, that is the chapter 1 introduction to biology, chapter 2 biodiversity, chapter 3 food nutrients. These three chapters are decided yet. Maybe we include one more chapter, but it all depends upon the time length or the time we will be having for online or physical classes. Okay, so it all depends upon the time, and we will let you know with the passage of time the syllabus thoroughly. And now I want you people to know about the CTs and MTs. Class, please listen carefully, everyone. Yes, just show me your faces who are still with me. The cameras are turned off. Only few cameras are on. Just few students have turned on their cameras, while others they are not turning on their cameras. Okay, from the next week in online classes, you people have to turn on your cameras. Otherwise, I'm not allowing you to sit here, because we will be doing some written work, some question answers in your rough copies or in your notebooks, and I want to check your books online. Okay, Acha. Now I'm recapping something about the homework. As you know that your home assignments are graded, means you get marks, 10 marks for each home assignment. So your home assignment should be very neatly done. You have to maintain the index properly for midterm syllabus. For midterm, then midterm syllabus pasting, title page, title page of the chapter, and subtitles. Okay, title page of the chapter and subtitles I will let you know once we will start our written work in copies. And your home assignments are very much important for you, because you will get the marks on them, 10 marks for each homework or home assignment, so that you will get good marks in the end of the session in your final exams. Okay, so please try to maintain your copies, maintain your index, maintain your work, don't do pathetic work, don't means your copies should be properly maintained along with the lamination of plastic covers, and should be neatly maintained, and homework should be done in your own handwriting. Like work should be presentable. Okay, the work should be presentable. If the work should not be presentable, I'm not going to give you marks on that. Okay, and midterm syllabus I have told you already that still it is about to decide it, and we will let you know with the passage of time. Once it is finally decided that which chapters from which branch of science we would be taken, we will let you know. But the first chapter in chemistry is the fundamentals of chemistry. First chapter in physics is the physical quantities and physical measurements and quantities. And in biology, the first chapter is introduction to biology. Okay, so in each week we will take one branch to complete in all three classes. Means if you have three classes in a week for science, we will continue that branch. Like अगर हम chemistry start करेंगे तो we will continue chemistry in all three classes. Understood? In the next week, from 10th of August, when you will be starting, when you will be having your regular classes, you will be having, you will keep your stationery and your rough copies, and if anybody finds book, it's well and good, and keep it with you, so that we will do some written exercises on them uh, during the because during the lecture I will ask you to write down some important points or some question answers, not question answers as just short question answers, some reason questions, some fill in the blank. Okay, so you have to take note of them. This is for your future use. Once you will get the book, you will get the copies, then you will maintain this work in your book and in your copies. Okay. Next is the I have told you about the maintenance of copy, importance of homework. Now CTs and MTs. As you all experienced that in the last whole year during the online classes, we have in one session, like in midterm, we were having two CTs and two MTs. When you were until 2019, when you were taking online classes in physical classes in the school, sorry, in physical classes in the school, you were having two CTs that and their marks were not counted. But when in 2020 in class 7, your CT marks, these two CT marks were counted in your midterm exams, in your results. So two CTs and two MTs. Two CTs 10 marks each, two MTs 25 marks each, and their marks will be counted in your midterm exam. So you have to pay attention, you have to be very vigilant and attentive for attempting your CTs and MTs. Like last year, some students, they did not pay attention on CTs. They think that the CT's marks are not included. That's why it's not important to give CT. However, we have included the CT's marks as well. Okay, so please take note of it that CTs are also important as MTs, and their marks are also included into it. Right now, as the time is getting over, we have just few minutes more, like 3-4 minutes are left. I want to tell you people, like today you are in your colorful dresses, in your home dresses, but as soon as we start our classes in the next week, all of you should be in your school's uniform. Okay, you people should be in your proper school uniform, and the environment at the back or where you are taking the class, the room should be isolated in such a way that there should be noise. There should no noise. There should be calm and peaceful environment as per the for the classes. There should be no noise there. Like Vanya, I have just seen Vanya that she was lying on the bed. This is not the way to take the class. Beta, next time be careful, Vanya, and everyone turn on the camera. Yes, Sada Zainab and Umar Amjad, sit straight, beta. Yes. Next time, everyone should be in the proper school uniform. Good, Umar Amjad. Should be very attentive. Should be in yes. Alishba, tie the hair next time. Okay, this time I am excusing you. You are in your home dress, but next time you should be in your uniform. Everyone, the environment at the back should be very peaceful and silent for taking the online class, and your cameras should be properly arranged. Like a few students are telling me that their cameras are not working. Please make arrangement that your cameras are properly working and focusing your face. Your cameras should be on in the next online class, regular classes, when you will be having your all the classes from 10th of August. You people will be having your cameras turned on, focusing your faces. Okay, now this is all from my end. I thank you for your time and attention. Please let me know if you have any question. Yes, Shahrod, voice is low. Shahrod, I'm almost shouting over here. Who is this asking how many subjects are there in science? Not subject, branches of science. Chemistry, biology, and physics. Okay, who is this? The name is not coming completely. It's not showing completely here. If you have any question, quickly write down in the chat box. The time is getting over. Just few seconds are left. Just few seconds are left. Next time, everyone should be in a proper uniform with the notebooks, stationery, and the cameras focusing your faces. Total number of copies 3. 1 interleaf, 2 single lines. 1 interleaf for bio, 2 single lines for chemistry and physics.